Cassie here with Kenra Professional, and I'm here today to show you how to achieve these beautiful results in just 10 minutes using our Studio Stylist Express. Studio Stylist Express is a great option behind the chair. It's great for your clients if they're in a hurry, maybe they call you last minute, they need in a really expedient amount of time. The great thing is that it develops in 10 minutes. So you're able to get your client in and out in a third of the time that you normally would. Now, one of the things that I do behind the chair is I always start by prepping the skin first. I think it's a professional thing to do to make sure that your client not only leaves with beautiful color, but doesn't leave with a ring of color around their face. So I utilize the Kenra Platinum Texturizing Taffy. What I love about this product is that it stays really well on the skin and it doesn't move throughout the surface. And as I shampoo off, comes out really clean. So the Texturizing Taffy has a great consistency, as you can see. It's really stay put. I like to just take a little bit off, put it behind on the back of my hand, and then I will go through and just apply it right along the hairline here to make sure she has a really nice clean application, development, and post. So with a clean application, I always like to start with thinking with quadrants in mind. I don't love using clips because I feel like it slows me down, but I think that color is a great way to kind of create like a faux clip as we go. So I'll outline each section as I work my way through. Because Cassie has a higher percentage of white hair in the front, I'm gonna start my application in the front and work my way back. So I'm gonna start by sectioning my first quadrant out of the way. Because this is an express color service, it's important to work in an expedient manner just to make sure that you're really applying and getting a good application and have that full time or that 10-minute development. Today, Cassie's formula is 3 parts 3N, which is a neutral, and 1 part 5G, which is a golden shade. It's one of our new shades. And I mixed it with our Kenra 20 volume developer. I'm gonna start in the first front right quadrant, and I'm going to just split the hair to get it out of the way and get it nice and separated. So I always apply going in one direction. On this section though, I'm gonna go in both directions just to make sure that I have a nice clean section to keep the hair out of my way. The other thing I'm always mindful of is having plenty of product on my brush and really placing the color on as opposed to swiping it off. As you can see, as I'm working through, I'm applying just in one direction. I'm taking nice small sections, so I'm making sure that I get plenty of product on the hair. I wanna make sure as I'm lifting up, I'm not taking more than I could see through. So one of the things I love now about the Studio Stylist Express is that I can utilize it with our traditional developers, Kenra's 10, 20, and 30 developer, which is great for my inventory and allows me to just keep my traditional developers on hand. So at the end of my section, I clean up the outline around the perimeter. So then I just come back in and place that color just to make sure that I get that hairline really well, and also then just make sure it's nice and clean. So for the back section here, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take my section right down the middle. Now that we have her completely applied, we're gonna let her develop for just 10 minutes. So here we are with the final results. I love that I'm getting 100% white coverage as well as beautiful shine with Studio Stylist Express. What do you think, Cassie?
I love it. Grays are gone in 10 minutes.
So there you go. If you like it too, let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe and follow Kenra Professional for more education videos.